Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how does the United States stock market actually work. The stock market is a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. For example, when a company wants to grow, it sells small pieces of ownership called shares to the public. If we buy those shares, it means we own a small part of that company. In the United States, there are two main stock exchanges. 1. New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. 2. NASDAQ. This is where companies are listed and where buying and selling happens. Big companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Tesla are all traded here. Stock prices move up and down every single day, and here's why. If a company performs well, stock prices usually go up. Bad news or weak results can make prices fall. Sometimes it's just supply and demand. If more people want to buy, prices rise. If more people want to sell, prices drop. People invest in the stock market for two main reasons. 1. To make a profit when stock prices increase. 2. Some companies pay dividends, a portion of their profit shared with shareholders. But remember, just like there are opportunities to earn, there are also risks involved. The stock market is not just important for investors, but for the entire economy. When companies do well, they create jobs, people spend more, and the economy grows stronger. That's why the stock market is often called the heartbeat or health check of the US economy. If you're a beginner, start by learning first. Don't jump into investing too quickly. Think long term, because the market always has ups and downs, and never invest all your money in stocks at once. So that's how the US stock market works. I hope this made it clear and simple for you. If you want, in the next video I'll explain how you can actually buy stocks online.